Watch me collect Eve Noel's saliva to submit to Basepaws. Ever since I saved Eve Noel from the cruel streets of Bakersfield, California on the eve of Christmas Eve, she has been struggling with health problems. So I decided to be proactive and get Eve Noel the Basepaws genetic and health test to find out what other health issues she might have. This genetic test identifies 64 genetic health markers, 43 diseases, including dental disease. It also determines your cat's blood type, breed, and traits. It's super simple to do. Just collect your cat's saliva. However, you must ensure that your cat hasn't eaten or drunk anything for 30 minutes prior to gathering the saliva sample. Time to collect the sample. Using the sterile swab provided in the kit, I not so easily swabbed Eve Noel's mouth. It is advised to run the swab along the inner cheek pockets and gums since the DNA required for the test is stored in the cheek's cells. You'll want to swirl the swab along both inner cheek pockets and gums for at least 5 seconds. It is recommended to go longer than 5 seconds in order to get optimum results. It's okay if your cat bites or licks the swab, it's not going to affect the sample. I was traveling up north for work, so I was doing the sample in my car. Once you're done collecting the sample, you will need to take the swab and put it into the tube. Make sure the lid is screwed on tightly. You don't want the sample to leak out. Next, you'll want to gently shake the tube to mix the sample with the stabilizing liquid. Inside the kit, you will find a specimen bag. Take the sample and place it inside the bag and seal it closed. Now place the sample back in the kit box and send it to Basepaws for DNA sequencing. It will take 4 to 6 weeks to get your results back. Here are Eve Noel's results. First, let's look at her oral health. Looks like she is at medium risk for periodontal disease and low risk for tooth reabsorption and bad breath. Phew! The one I was most worried about, her genetic health markers. Look, she's only a carrier. She is a carrier for a blood clotting disorder, which means she can pass it on to her offspring, but she's fixed, so that's not happening. She's blood type A. Remember that while it doesn't check for every illness or condition, it does provide some peace of mind. Now for our Eve Noel's breed group. She is 31% Broadleaf Western, 18% American Shorthair, 11% Maine Coon, 8% Ragdoll, 5% Siberian, 1% Peterbald, 2% Savannah, and 2% Egyptian Mau. Wow, what a mix. If you've ever wanted to know your cat's breed, blood type, health markers, or traits, I suggest you get the Basepaws kit.